Alright guys, we're about to plug this in, then we're going to cut his exhaust off because it's scraping the ground. Look. We don't need that. So we're going to cut it off. Hopefully it makes it sound different. If it doesn't, we're going to get to cutting even more. Probably the cats, everything, headers. We'll just have it come straight out of the exhaust ports on the block. You plugging it up? Plug. Plug. You need to get your one real extension cord, though. Like, bro, what is this, bro? I'm just start taking stuff from that.
The big orange one you talking?
Yeah, the big fat orange one that I had. I had one, a huge one.
Alright.
That's a before. It would help to get out the hole.
Get the looking now. You see that?
Made in China. Y'all see that? Y'all see that?
It was astonishing
$40.
$40.
This is $45.
The booth right next to it that was selling the same thing for $60. I walked away so fast.
You probably got that for 10 from China.
Probably so.
No offense. This big go hard though, ain't it? Look at this shit. Get that on
We
camera.
We look it, don't worry. We look
Yo, that's the same harness I had in the Civic.
the blue.
Same color, everything.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot. So when I got you a hot. But it's an EK9.
I got you a Hot Wheel, but you gotta pick it.
No. I was gonna get all of them, and then I scanned one. It was $8. I was like, oh yeah, no.
You for real, Bobby?
No, okay. It's got to be at least a solid 6 months before you change your name, okay? Going instant.
This for the Bryce Jones YouTube channel? Bryce Jones?
It's for the Gage Brown TV YouTube channel.
Did you get that on video?
Fuck no.
Damn it. Yep, we would have put that in the thumbnail. Crazy shit fell down with legal running. Cops were called.
Oh, all that water just went in.
Just blow it off. Alright, now suck it. Who's ready?
Is that gonna reach down there? Wait, let me get a jack under there. Jack stand. Don't move.
Who? I'm the best there ever was, plain and simple. It's hot. They following me, ma. They follow me.
Put that
Oh my God, that's what you were talking about?
I can't break it loose. Look at it.
Bro, look at the pipe.
I know, look.
My
Look right here.
God.
Look at that.
It's gonna be gone before you know it.
That's crazy, huh? Dude, my LCA back there is about to go to the fucking...
Yeah, we should cut this first.
It's pretty much cut back there, look.
Yeah, or should I cut it right here?
Low key, that might be...
It'll be less cutting.
Should I do it right here, though?
That's what I'm thinking. But I mean, that's getting destroyed too.
Yeah.
It's up to you. El flashlight, El Fellow.
Chill for
Thumbnail.
There's the heat flange.
Fuck it, cut it off too.
Alright, hold on. Did we pull this out of the hanger? Hold up.
Yeah, rip that bitch out.
right there.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, I'm gonna have to cut that with dikes.
Talking about the girl on girl thing?
Ugh. Actually, wait. Fucking, yeah, I'll cut that.
I can't, twin.
You can't?
I can't reach it.
But
Let me get this muffler pipe off, dude. Chat. She getting cut. Not fun, but it's getting cut. Ain't fun at all, though. Shut up. Sit in that car quietly. It's almost all the way through. Oh boy. She bites and then she just. Huh?
you agree with this?
I mean, it's gonna come off either way.
Where I'm cutting at right now, it's literally, it's open further. Like the pipe right here, the pipe right here is like gone.
From scraping.
Yeah, the coast. Okay, buddy.
The fuck?
He's not gonna believe this. Hey, bro. No, it's nothing I did. It's nothing I did. Listen, you ready? You've been collecting water in here. No. That's why it's probably going to.
No fucking shot.
Something like that. Nah.
It's catching water.
I got one side of the hanger off. The exhaust is cut.
Yeah, I got the solution.
YouTube.
Boom.
It's all. Ladies and gentlemen.
Now pull this and now
Well,
pull.
we still got another side to do,
way.
huh?
Towards you. Keep going back. It'll come off. There it goes. Now the other side's going to be a lot easier for you to cut. I'm not going to be able to reach it though. It's crazy. I'm not going to be able to reach it, twin.
Oh, really?
Unless you plug it in, like, unless you have an outlet in your house.
Whoa, now. Whoa, now.
Bro, I'm laying in the dirt.
Welcome. Welcome.
I'm trying.
I'm doing it for all the kids that lost their lives in the war. Whatever X said in that one song. You know what I'm talking about? It's gonna make sure you're back in the groove with it. And once you just do that, it's just...
That was my brake line.
I gotta get it back locked in place.
That's what we need right now. Hold your breath.
That's as many as I can do. No, you can do this.
No, dude,
No,
Yeah,
it's bro, it's your
that's the
fault.
finishing touch.
Bro, his phone case is gonna be so dirty, bro.
Bro, you did all that work just to not do the most satisfying part. That's how you get somebody to work on your car right there.
I mean, I don't care. This is cool, though. It's content for me. And it's saving you. IRL. Need a bath, though. ASAP. No Rocky. Okay, go.
That bitch is full of water
Yeah.
too. Oh my god.
Ugh, the juices are on me.
God damn, you're dirty as fuck.
Look at that drip, though. I am pretty dirty. Okay, start it up, butter.
That's crazy. Look at that shit, bro. That shit looks crazy. Holy shit.
You see how bad it was, though, huh? All right.
All right, let's hear it.
Yeah. That's what you guys have all been waiting for.
Kind of sounds exactly the same.
AG Herbo? It sounds the exact same. The exact same. But you have more clearance, and clearance is clearance, Clarence.
Yeah, that's one less thing to get stuck on, I guess.
Yeah. You have like a towel that you don't care about at all?
Nah, you're just gonna have to dry it up. This is why you get your friends to work when your car is right here. This is why you do it. Look at them.
I just love it here.
And he's not getting no food after either. No
I don't
food.
need any. I ate on the way here. Whenever I went to go get the saw, I grabbed the rest of the buckets that I had. I stopped at 2 buckets yesterday, though. I was driving all day.
You got some Bucky balls?
Some beaver nuggets, actually.
Beaver nuggets.
You can just put tips right there. You'll never know. Alright guys, we just cut the exhaust on that. It didn't make a difference at all. But he's about to get spindles and then he's gonna be outside, so he says. Like and subscribe. I don't know what else to say. That's good enough.